Here a vector is I caret plus 4j caret plus 2 root 2 caret. B is root 2i plus root 2j caret. Then find out component of a vector which is perpendicular to B. Suppose here angle between A and B is theta. Then there are two components of A. One is parallel to B and second is perpendicular to B. So A vector can be written as A parallel vector plus A perpendicular. It means A is the resultant of this parallel and perpendicular. From this, A perpendicular is equal to A vector minus A parallel vector. Equation number 1. Now what is mod B or B? Square root. Square of coefficient of I, root 2 square is 2. Square of coefficient of j, root 2 square is 2. So square root of 4, that is 2. That is the value of B, magnitude of B. Now what is A parallel? From the diagram, A parallel is A cos theta. That is the component of A vector along B. But what is A cos theta? That is A dot B upon B. Because A dot B is AB cos theta. So A cos theta is A dot B upon B. Now what is A dot B? Dot product of A and B. I dot I is 1, J dot J is 1. So it is root 2 plus 4 root 2 and B is 2. So it is 5 root 2 upon 2. So answer is 5 upon root 2. But what is A parallel vector? That is A cos theta into unit vector in the direction of B. That is B caret. Now A cos theta is 5 upon root 2. B caret is B vector upon B. So 5 upon root 2. B vector is root 2 common in bracket I plus j upon value of B, that is 2. Root 2 is cancelled. So it is 5 upon 2 I plus j. Now from equation number 1, A perpendicular is equal to A vector minus A parallel. A vector is I plus 4j plus 2 root 2k minus A parallel 5 by 2i minus 5 by 2j. Now from the simplification, A perpendicular is equal to minus 3 by 2i plus 3 by 2j plus 2 root k, and mod A perpendicular is equal to square root 9 by 4 plus 9 by 4 2 root 2 whole square, that is 8. So root 25 upon 2, it means 5 upon root 2. That is the magnitude of A perpendicular. Thank you.